what are the three technology-specific trends you are seeing that would shape the clear aligner industry going forward in the next, let's say, 3 to 5 years?
Direct 3D printing is definitely one important, crucial innovation that will change the market, specifically on the manufacturing side. So I see that as something that would be a market mover. I see as well AI, no question about its involvement in so many things out there. It will change everything that we know about orthodontics.
1, 2, and 3 are all the same answer. It's automation. Focus on patient success. Let technology work for you. So practices that are adapting to technology and adapting to automation and embracing them are the ones that are and will be the successful ones. So that is, in my eyes, automation. Because if not, you're left behind.
3 different metrics. One is definitely software part. The software part, I think so right now, everyone is at par on the software part because we are sorted with the software. Someone might be having here and there some better tools, but as a concept of the software, means it is like nothing big can happen on the software part. But definitely the second point which is important is on the plastic polymers. There is a huge thing, means innovation is still, I think it is needed to be done in the plastic polymers. The future is for the plastic polymers. And then definitely the third and most important part is we need to get better and better understanding the clinical science. What works, what not works, how it will work, and keep on doing.
The three trends that I have seen and which I see would be coming up very soon and after seeing some exhibitions and forums. So one is like people or companies after seeing so much wastage with the plastics and this, so now they are starting direct printing of aligners. So, that is something which I guess like in the next 5 to 10 years, that would be very common. Number two is that now it is a need of all the companies to incorporate AI into their manufacturing procedures. So, right now the quality control or like staff management or the delivery time or everything. So that is number two, AI on the procedure side. And then I guess the last thing that I see as a trend, the companies which are mostly B2C, they would be obsolete or would be finished and they would be converted it into like B2B kind of companies, like business to business, in which doctors would be still holding steering of the car and they would be, driving the whole thing.
So AI is for sure very big. Number two is on the product side, innovations is still happening around newer materials, especially I see in the aligner space. There's so much of less plastic materials and polymer materials. And number three is robotics. So there you have robots that are able to place implants with no human intervention. So I think we're getting there. My take is possibly another 5 years.
I'm super excited about virtual treatment consults. That can also be restorative or just a new patient to your practice, even if you're like a plastic surgeon. But all of this can be remote and very professionally done without even the doctor stepping on camera, to be quite honest. So then the first time the patient comes into your practice, it's like, hey, we already know you. We know a little bit about you. You've already committed really to treatment, but we need some finishing touches. We need to get your pan. We need to get your Ceph. We need to take some additional data. And here you go, like we're going to meet the doctor today. And it's kind of turning the whole process on its head. And then we'll get down to the other stuff where your team, if they're well educated and well supported, give them the leadership role, let them do it. Half the time we're sitting there behind your head and thinking, wrap it up, or I already said that. How are you tracking your bookkeeping? How are you tracking your lab bill? Do you have 4 different team members running in different directions, doing all of these different platforms, and maybe there's some overlap and things are getting missed? Bring it all together, consolidate it, pay for some software, for goodness sakes, that does this for you, because like it's a digital generation. AI is here to help us, and very smart people have figured this out for us. So we need to like get off those analog systems and kind of really wrap it up and tighten up the strings. And then we have all these team members who are still capable. I'm not saying get rid of your team members, But these are maybe the future digital leaders who might be helping you in other areas of your practice. And you might think you're short-staffed, but you're not short-staffed. You're just not working smart. So work smart.